Welcome students. Today we are going to continue our chapter 4 angle and its pair practice set 16. Hope you must have practiced practice set 15. Now in practice set 16 we are going to learn about what are complementary angles. So let me explain first what are complementary angles because this is a new concept to you all. So complementary angles, what is the definition of complementary angles? If the sum of measures of two angles is what 90 degree, then that angles are called complementary angles. Just remember children, if the two angles sum means it's their total, if the total of two angles is 90 degree, then that angles are called as a complementary angles. For example, this is one angle, suppose angle ABC, it is of 30 degree, and one more angle is there, suppose DEF, suppose it is 60 degree. So just add these two angles, angle ABC plus angle DEF. What is the measure of ABC? 30 degree. 30 plus what is the measure of DEF? 60 degree. 30 plus 60 will give you how much? 90 degree. So they are both what? Complementary angles. If the total of two angles is 90 degree, they are called as a complementary angles. For example, one angle is 20 degrees, so 20 plus other angle is suppose 70 degrees, so 20 plus 70 is 90 degree. If one angle is 45 degree, the other complementary angle will be 45. 45 plus 45 will be 90 degree. So the total of two angles should be 90 degree. So they are called as a complementary angles. So let us start exercise based on this practice set 16. See the question number 1. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the measures of their complementary angles. See, these are the questions written over here, 40 degree, 63, 45 and so on. So the first we'll start 40 degree. So we have to find the measure of its complementary angle. So let the measure of its complementary angle be x degree. As we don't know, so we are writing let the measure of 40 degrees complementary angle be x degree. So 40 plus x is equals to 90 degree because the total will be 90 degree and we don't know the 40 is complement, so we have to find the x value. So we'll keep the x in the left, 90, this plus 40 will go this side, will become minus 40. So x is equals to 90 minus 40 will give you 50 degree. So what is the complementary of 40 degree? 50. See, 40 plus 50 is 90 degree. Similarly, let's see the second one, 63 degree. So first step is same. We will write like this. Let the measure of its complementary angle be x degree. Let the measure of its complementary angle be, let the measure of its complementary, say here, angle be x degree. So we have to add this, 63 degree plus x degree is equals to 90 degree. So we have to find the value of x. So x will keep it in left, 90 minus 63. So 90 minus 63 will give you 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 7 is 2, 27 degree. Similarly, see the third one, 45 degree. So what is the first step? First step is same. Let the measure of its complementary angle be x degree. So 45 degree plus x is equals to 90 degree because the total is 90 degree complementary. So x value we have to find. X will keep it in left, 90 minus 45. So x is equal to 90 minus 45 is 45 degree. So complementary of 45 degrees 45. 45 plus 45 is 90 degree. The fourth one is 55 degree. So same way we have to write the first step. Let the measure of its complementary angle be x degree. So 55 degree plus x degree will give you 90 degree. So x is equals to 90 minus 55. 90 minus 55, x is equals to 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 6 will give you 335 degree. The fifth one now. Fifth question is 20 degree. So right, same step. Let the first step is same. Let the measure of its complementary angle be x degree. So 20 degree plus x degree is equals to 90 degree. So x is equals to 90 minus 20 degree. So x equals to 70 degree. So complement of 20 degree is 70 degree. The next one, sixth one. Sixth one is 90 degree. So first step is same. Let the measure of its complementary angle be x degree. So 90 degree plus x degree is equals to 90 degree. So x is equals to 90 minus 90. X is equals to 90 minus 90 is 0. So complement for 90 is 0. 90 plus 0 is 90. Seventh one, x degree. Let us find the complementary angle for x degree. So we will write the first step as it is. Let the measure of its complementary angle be. In the previous questions, we have taken let the complementary angle for this pair of angle, we have taken x. Now here already it is x degree. They have not given us number. So we here will take it y degree so that there will be no confusion. So x plus y degree is equals to 90 degree, and we have to find the value of y. So y is equals to 90. This plus x will go this side, will become minus x degree. So y is equals to 90 minus x degree. So this is the complement for x degree. So complementary angle for x degree is 90 minus x degree. You have to put the bracket like this and put a common degree. So we have ended here till question number 1. Now let's move towards question number 2. Question number 2 is this. Y minus 20 degree and y plus 30 degree are the measures of complementary angles. Find the measure of each angle. So children, these are the two angles whose they are saying they are complementary angles. Complementary means their total is 90 degrees. So these are the two angles. They are complementary. So first step I will write that their total is 90 degree because they are saying they are complementary angles. So y minus 20 degree and means plus y plus 30 degree is equals to complementary means they are 90 degree. It is given to us. They are complementary. That is why I have added these two angles. Their total is 90 degree. Now to find the value of measure of each angle, we have to open the brackets. So y minus 20 plus y plus 30 is equals to 90 degree. I have opened the brackets. I have removed the brackets in second step. Now what you have to do, you have to take the variables y together. So y plus y, there will be 2y, and these numbers I will take together. Minus 20 plus 30 is equals to 90 degree. Now 2y minus 20 plus 30, children. Minus plus minus is minus. So 30 minus 20 is 10, and sign of greater number is plus, is equals to 90 degree. We have to find the value of this y. So 2y I will keep it in left. 90 degree plus 10 will go this side, will become minus 10. So 2y is equals to 90 minus 10 is 80 degree. So y's value I can get now 80. This multiply 2 will come this side, will become divide 2. So 2 4s are 8 and 0. So y is 40 degree. Why we got 40 degree? But these are the two angles. So here we have to substitute the values of y and get that angle. So first angle was y minus 20 degree. So here put the value of y. Y value we got 40 minus 20 degree. So 40 minus 20 is 20 degree. So first angle we got 20 degree. The second angle was y plus 30 degree. So y's value again we'll put same, 40 plus 30. So 40 plus 30 is 70 degrees. So which are the two complementary angles? 20 plus 70, and 20 plus 70, if you add it, their total is 90 degree. That means we are getting correct. So therefore the measure of each angle is 20 degree and 70 degree. The measure of angles are 20 degree and second one is 70 degree. They are complementary, means their total we are getting 90 degree. 20 plus 70 is 90 degree. So we have ended here our practice set 16. In the next part I will upload practice set 17. Till then practice these two exercises, practice set 15 and practice set 16. Till then, goodbye.